Alright, so basically here what I'm doing is I'm doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color medium brown. So yeah. And then here what I'm doing is I'm cleaning them up with like, I think it's, no, that's foundation. I'm cleaning it up with foundation and that little brush right there just to make them look nice or whatever. And damn. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just doing the same thing at the top, making my eyebrows look nice or attempting to, because Lord knows that I was not blessed with naturally beautiful eyebrows. I was almost gonna say eyelashes, but you know what? Those two. So I gotta do some fixing to them with concealer. I mean foundation. Oh, here I'm putting more foundation on my like eyelids as a primer. I would use a normal primer, like a regular primer, instead of foundation, just because I think it'll work better. But I couldn't find mine, or I think I ran out. I don't know, but whatever. So I'm just blending that out. It's really simple. It's not that difficult. Sometimes, like for some reason though, it took me like 2 hours to do my makeup though, so I can't really say anything. But yeah, I'm just setting it with the Airspun loose powder so it don't crease on me. And I'm of course using the Modern Renaissance palette. What color is that? Hold on. What color am I using? Oh, that's raw sienna. That's really pretty. So I'm just blending that thing in. I'm still blending. Blending is key, girl. You gotta look nice. And to look nice, you gotta blend. Blend like there's no tomorrow. Blend till your arm falls off. Then I'm going in with burnt orange. Feeling the UT colors or whatever. Not really, but whatever. I'm just putting that thing on my crease and blending it out. I'm still blending in the other eye. But yeah, that's that. Look funny. Anyways, now I'm going into that brown color in the Morphe. Let me check what this is. 35W palette. Um, yeah. Basically what I'm doing is I'm putting it in my outer corner, and then I'm using a clean brush to blend that out. I recommend using this technique because like instead of using that same brush and just like depositing color everywhere, you're depositing the color where you want it to be with that brush that I'm using right now. And then you're going to switch over to the clean brush and just blending it out, making it look nice. So then I'm going into a darker brown and putting that in my outer corner. And then going back in with that other brush and blending it out. And then I'm using that color that I used first, what is it called, raw sienna. Just kind of to like redefine the color that kind of got lost after adding like the darker browns. And then I'm going to use that light white color and I'm kind of going to like bake my brow bone, so to say. And then I'm adding gold to my eyelid because a little gold never hurt nobody, you know? And then I'm defining that brown in the outer corner again, and then blending out that, what's that thing called again? That like brow bone bake I added earlier or whatever. Oh, and then, okay, here's the thing, honey. Gel eyeliner will be your best friend if you're starting off with eyeliner. So as you can see, I'm first off starting by the tail of it, just so I can like see how long I want it to be, and then just use that as a guideline. So after I add the length I want, I'm gonna add like the thickness. So I'm starting from the outside into the inner part of my eye. But of course, this takes me like 5 ever in a day. Did I say that this was a brown eyeliner? It's a brown gel liner and an angled brush, by the way, just in case I wanted to know. So yeah. Damn, girl, really take that long to put on eyeliner? I guess so. Here I am. This really do be hard. Like it's just like you gotta have patience when it comes to eyeliner. Like it can be the easiest thing and the hardest thing in the world, but it's beautiful. Okay, sweetie. So I'm taking that baby skin primer, putting it on. You put it on like lotion. Self-explanatory. I filmed this 6 months ago, by the way. So yeah, I'm using the Milani foundation to clean up that eyeliner. Girl, let me tell you, that is something that I totally recommend to do that, because you don't really have to worry about precision that much. I feel like that's why a lot of people stress out about eyeliner, because precision or whatever. But it's okay because it can be fixed with foundation or concealer, whatever it is. And here I am just putting on foundation on my face, and I'm blending for like 5 years. And I'm singing and dancing. You blend that, girl. You sing, you dance. You got it, boo boo. A little heart. Alright, I'm still blending. I'm blending some more. And I'm dancing, singing, I'm dancing. And then I'm adding concealer underneath my eyes. I'm using the concealer from Morphe, from the 06 CF palette. It's really thick. I really don't recommend using that underneath the eyes just because it creases all kinds of crazy. But I ran out of concealer that day, okay? So, like, we had to work with what we had. And then, boom, I'm baking. I'm using the Airspun loose powder. I filmed this 6 months ago, and let me tell you something, girl. I wouldn't use that particular powder anymore to bake my under eyes just because I feel like it gives me hella flashback. I would use it to like do what I'm doing right now, which is baking like underneath the jawline, but not necessarily for my under eye. But right there, I'm just using like the Mary Kay Sheer Mineral pressed powder just to dust away the baking that I already put on, and then like to set the rest of my face or whatever. And then I'm bronzing. So to bronze, I use the Tarte Park A Princess Bronzer. Honey, that's beautiful. And I'm using a big brush to apply it. So here is another great tip that I'm here to give you. If you go heavy-handed on like bronzer or whatever, you can use like your powder brush to fix it. And then I'm using the Hoola bronzer to contour. And I'm just talking like y'all care about my business or whatever. And I'm contouring with a small brush. And yeah. And then Richie! Oh my god, my baby. I'm obsessed with my dog. There I am introducing my dog. Oh, he's so cute. I don't know why he came in my room. He's like, give me my cookie. No, my dog is so cute. Oh, that's right, I'm doing makeup. I contour my nose underneath the lips, make it look like I got something, a little extra volume or whatever. And then I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm using the color Mimosa. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful shade. It's like a nice little glow. But yes, boo boo, you highlight that nose. You highlight that cupid's bow, looking all kinds of fun. Gotta hype yourself up sometimes, you know. Then I'm using the Tarte. What is this? It's a Tarte blush in the color Feisty, because we feisty. And then again, I'm using the powder brush because I want a little heavy-handed with the blush. And then I'm using that pencil brush that I used earlier for the outer corner, and I put it underneath my lash line. And then my 24/7 Urban Decay eyeliner in the color black, I think, and then blending it out with that same brush. And then I'm using this mascara that I bought from Mexico because it's cheap, it works, and that's what I put on my eyelashes today. I went to a wedding, by the way. It was beautiful. I cried a couple times, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and then I'm doing my lower lashes with the Tarte mascara. Then I got those eyelashes, and I'm using the ones in the middle. They're pretty. So I put glue on there. I blew on it so it could get tacky, right? And then I pressed it from the center, and I put it in the center of my eyes. And then I pressed the inner corner down, and then the outer corner down. And then I was just testing them, like, are they moving or whatever. And to be honest, I struggle a lot with eyelashes. Like, it gets easier as you, like, get more practice with it, but nonetheless, it's still hard. And then I'm lining my lips with a Clinique pencil. The fact that I sped this video up and it still takes me like forever in a day to line my lips. It's crazy, bro. I'd be taking way too long to get ready. This is why my mom's always rushing me. But yeah, I went for the chola lips that day. I was digging it. I was feeling it. And then I'm wearing this Smashbox lip gloss in the color Copper Remix. And then I'm just setting my face with some hard candy setting spray. And that's the finished look. I can't do a voiceover to save my life. I'm sorry for the low quality. I had to use my phone for flash to show y'all this makeup look because the sun was setting. I get it. I'm sorry. I'm going to get better with it in time, but whatever. It's cute. Whatever. Bye.